Adobe Photoshop. Launched in 1990, Adobe Photoshop is the world's most popular graphic design and photo editing software. It is used for everything from photo retouching and social media graphics to movie posters, website designs, and YouTube thumbnails. Photoshop's biggest strength is its layer-based editing system, which lets designers edit elements without permanently changing the original image. Over the years, Adobe added powerful features like smart objects, AI tools, masking, brushes, and advanced effects, making Photoshop one of the most versatile creative tools ever made. The downside is its learning curve. Open Photoshop for the first time, and you'll be greeted by enough buttons, menus, and panels to make you wonder if you accidentally launched a spaceship control system. Adobe Illustrator launched in 1987 as the industry-standard software for creating vector graphics. Unlike Photoshop, which works with pixels, Illustrator uses mathematical paths and shapes called vectors. This means a logo designed in Illustrator can be scaled from a tiny business card to a giant billboard without losing any quality. Tools like the pen tool, shape builder, and advanced typography features give designers precise control over every element. That's why many of the logos and brand identities you see every day were likely created in Illustrator. The downside is that vector design can feel less intuitive for beginners. Drawing with the pen tool often feels like negotiating with a stubborn piece of software that refuses to understand what shape you're trying to make. Canva launched in 2013. Canva is a cloud-based graphic design platform that made design accessible to almost everyone. Instead of requiring years of training, Canva uses a simple drag-and-drop interface with thousands of templates for social media posts, presentations, posters, resumes, flyers, and marketing materials. Its biggest strength is speed. Even people with little to no design experience can create professional-looking graphics in minutes, using pre-made layouts, stock photos, icons, and AI-powered tools. Figma launched in 2016. Figma is a cloud-based design and prototyping tool that revolutionized UI and UX design. Unlike traditional design software that stores files locally, Figma allows multiple people to work on the same project simultaneously, making it the Google Docs of design. Figma is primarily used for designing websites, mobile apps, user interfaces, wireframes, and interactive prototypes. This collaborative workflow helped Figma become one of the most popular tools in the tech industry. Adobe InDesign launched in 1999 and is a professional desktop publishing and page layout software designed for creating documents with lots of text and multiple pages. While Photoshop edits images and Illustrator creates graphics, InDesign brings everything together into magazines, books, newspapers, brochures, catalogs, ebooks, and professional reports. Its biggest strength is handling large documents with precise control over typography, page layouts, master pages, and print-ready publishing. That's why publishing companies, magazines, and marketing agencies rely heavily on it for professional print and digital publications. Adobe XD launched in 2016. It was Adobe's answer to the growing demand for UI and UX design tools. It was built specifically for designing websites, mobile apps, wireframes, and interactive prototypes, allowing designers to visualize how a product would look and function before development begins. One of XD's biggest strengths was its ability to create clickable prototypes, letting designers simulate user interactions without writing any code. It also integrated well with other Adobe applications, making it a popular choice for designers already working within the Adobe ecosystem. Blender launched in 1995. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation software used for modeling, animation, visual effects, motion graphics, rendering, and even game development. Unlike most professional 3D tools that cost hundreds or thousands of dollars, Blender is completely free, which helped it become one of the most popular creative applications in the world. The downside is its learning curve. Blender's interface can feel overwhelming at first, and beginners often spend more time figuring out keyboard shortcuts than actually making 3D models. Affinity Designer launched in 2014, professional vector graphic design software developed by Serif Europe as an alternative to Adobe Illustrator. It is widely used for logo design, branding, illustrations, icons, UI design, and marketing materials. It also combines vector and raster editing tools in a single application, allowing designers to switch between both workflows without changing software. Unlike Adobe's subscription model, Affinity Designer is sold with a one-time purchase, making it especially attractive to freelancers and independent creators. Procreate launched in 2011. Procreate is a digital painting and illustration app developed exclusively for the iPad. It quickly became one of the most popular tools among digital artists thanks to its smooth performance, intuitive interface, and excellent support for the Apple Pencil. Procreate is widely used for digital painting, concept art, character design, storyboarding, comics, and illustrations, and advanced drawing features packed into a lightweight app. Procreate uses a one-time purchase instead of a subscription. GIMP, launched in 1996, is a free and open-source image editing software often considered the biggest alternative to Photoshop. It provides powerful tools for photo editing, graphic design, digital art, and image manipulation without costing users a penny. Because it's open source, anyone can modify or improve the software, and a large community has created plugins, extensions, and custom tools over the years. GIMP is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible to almost everyone. Adobe Express launched in 2021. As a rebrand of Adobe Spark, Adobe Express is Adobe's simplified design platform aimed at content creators, students, marketers, and small businesses. Think of it as Adobe's answer to Canva. Adobe Express focuses on quick and easy creation of social media posts, flyers, presentations, posters, videos, and marketing content. It comes with thousands of templates, stock assets, AI-powered tools, and seamless integration with other Adobe products. Its biggest strength is speed. Users can create polished content in minutes without needing professional design skills or learning complex software like Photoshop. Inkscape launched in 2003. Inkscape is a free and open-source vector graphics editor, often considered the best free alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Like Illustrator, it uses vector graphics instead of pixels, allowing designs to be scaled from a tiny icon to a massive billboard without losing quality. Inkscape is commonly used for logo design, illustrations, icons, diagrams, posters, and SVG graphics for websites. It includes powerful tools for drawing paths, editing shapes, working with text, and creating complex vector artwork. Because it's open source, it has built a loyal community of designers, students, and hobbyists. Krita launched in 2005, a free and open-source digital painting software designed specifically for artists and illustrators. Krita focuses primarily on drawing and painting, making it one of the most popular tools for concept artists, comic creators, and digital painters. Krita includes hundreds of customizable brushes, advanced layer management, brush stabilization, animation tools, and a highly customizable workspace. Its natural drawing experience has made it a favorite among artists who want professional-grade painting tools without paying for expensive subscriptions. Affinity Photo launched in 2015, a professional photo editing and image manipulation software developed by Surf Europe as a direct competitor to Adobe Photoshop. It offers advanced tools for photo retouching, compositing, digital painting, raw image processing, and graphic design. One of its biggest selling points is its pricing model. Unlike Photoshop's monthly subscription, Affinity Photo is available through a one-time purchase, making it especially popular among freelancers, photographers, and creators looking to avoid recurring fees. Performance is another strong point. Affinity Photo is known for being fast, lightweight, and capable of handling large projects efficiently, and those were some of the biggest graphic design tools used today. So I'm curious, which graphic design tool do you use the most? And which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next one on screen for another deep dive into the software and technology shaping our digital world.